If you're shopping for tile, most people focus on one thing: what looks good. But there are three things that can make a huge difference in how happy you'll be with the finished project. First, slip resistance. For bathroom floors, shower floors, and homes with children or older adults, ask about the tile's slip resistance rating, often called the DCOF rating. A beautiful tile doesn't help much if it becomes slippery when wet. Second, grout color. Many homeowners automatically choose a contrasting grout color because it stands out on a display board. But if you want a cleaner, more timeless look, consider choosing a grout color that closely matches the tile. Matching grout often helps hide minor variations, creates a more uniform appearance, and can make the installation look more professional. Third, understand the difference between rectified and non-rectified tile. Rectified tile has mechanically finished edges that are very consistent in size. That allows for tighter grout joints and a more modern appearance. Non-rectified tile has slightly more size, variation, and typically requires wider grout joints. Neither is necessarily better, but the choice affects the final look of the installation. The biggest mistake homeowners make is choosing tile based only on appearance. A few simple questions before you buy can help you end up with a floor that's safer, easier to maintain, and looks better for years to come. And before you spend thousands of dollars on tile and remodeling materials, wouldn't it be nice to have an independent expert on your side? I'm a National Tile Contractors Association consulting member with nearly 40 years of installation, distribution, and product experience, helping homeowners avoid expensive mistakes before they happen. Know what to ask, know who to hire, and if you're doing it yourself, know what to do. Protect your investment. Link below.